Hey guys, how's it going? Freya from Tools and Gadgets. Today we have the 2024 version of the trade-in kit that we just got from Apple just today. And I'm going to be showing you the process on how to put your phone inside, because this is a little bit different compared to last year's trade-in kit box. So first off, I noticed that it's a lot slimmer today. This year. So last year it was a little bit bulky, and be sure to stick throughout the whole video because I'll be telling you about how our trade-in process went last year. I can tell you it is really bad. So that's why we went through a different process this year. So just to make sure that our phones won't get lost or anything, because as we know that along through the process of sending the trade-in kit, there are usually a lot of problems, right? I'm not saying that it's Apple's fault or it's anybody's fault. But last year when they opened our trade-in kit, they sent us an email that there was nothing inside. So I'm glad I took a video. So to some of you who want to check out that video, I'll be posting that in the link in the description box below as well. Okay, so we got our iPhone 15 Pro Max here, and actually the only thing that you need to do is to back up your phone either through iCloud or your PC. So basically that's all you need to do, guys, is to back up your phone and do a hard reset. Meaning by hard reset is delete everything on the phone. And after that, you could go ahead and start the process of putting your phone inside this trade-in kit, which we're gonna do now. So yeah, let's begin, guys. So in this box, guys, there's a sticker here that says peel here. So when you're done putting the phone inside, all you need to do is just scratch this off a little, and you can just take that off, and the return mail address is already written there with your name here, which I put a tape on it, of course, for privacy purposes. And so let's begin. So in this year's version, guys, you're gonna open this up right here and pull this out from the side. So it has two here. After that, you're going to be opening this. It's a really long, small box here. So in here, guys, don't worry, there's an instruction here. There's an instruction here, guys, so you don't have to worry. Here, after opening this, there's a cushion here, which protects your phone from damages. So yeah, let's go get our phone, guys. So here, you're just going to be putting this upright position, and then we're just going to be squishing the phone from both ends, just like that. And after that, we're just going to be rolling it to close it. And as you've noticed, guys, there's a white sticker here. So you're just going to peel that off. So let's go ahead and peel it off. So it's a double-sided tape here, just like that. And then what you want to do is that just going to be pressing it together. That's it. And then here at the back, just like that. And then after that, guys, you just need to peel this off. There's an instruction as well right here to peel that, and you just need to peel that. Just need to take that off, and you're ready to ship it back. But hold on, you need to peel this first as well, the return address. So it depends on what carrier they placed here. That's where you need to go to process your trade-in kit. Then after 5 business days, you will be able to get your refund. So if you paid through Apple Pay, they automatically credit you depends on what phone you're trading in. So for the 15 Pro Max, you get a maximum of $650 back, plus tax. So it's going to be at around $707 range that you're getting if you're trading in a 15 Pro Max. But of course, if your phone comes in good condition, scratch free, I believe they're not really strict about small scratches, like light scratches. I have my phone trade-in at the Apple store. So I also got my iPhone 16 Pro Max through the mail, and then I decided to go in store and traded my phone there. So after that, they assessed my phone for damages, internal problems, or hardwares. Then after after assessing it, they credited the amount, the maximum trade-in amount, back to my Apple card. And I think it took around 1 day, 24 hours before we got the refund for the trade-in. So guys, even if you ordered it through online, you can also do the trade-in process in store. So it depends on your Apple store. If they're busy, you need to make an appointment, or you could just pretty much walk in and do the trade-in there, and they will be the ones to put the phone inside their trade-in kit, and they'll be the ones sending it back to Apple. You really have no problem anymore when you go in store, compared to sending this through the mail, which will get lost, or when it arrives at the third-party buyer of Apple, and they will report that there's no phone inside, or the camera is not working, or the LCD is not working. So last year we received that email from the third-party buyer of Apple that basically they said in the email that there's no phone inside the trade-in box, which got me thinking that probably somebody stole it along the way or something. So that's why this year I decided to trade it in store at the Apple store to get my refund the fastest possible way. Okay guys, so if you have any more questions, write them down below, and I'll see you again in our next one. Bye.